But our top story this morning, the end of the diplomatic standoff between India and Italy over the Marines issue. But what really led Italy to send back its Marines? The Italian government says that India has guaranteed a fast trial and assured Italy that the Marines would not be awarded the death sentence. Parul with our top story.
Friday began with news that the Marines were flying back from Italy. The government was quick to congratulate itself and sounded conciliatory towards Rome.
I think it's important that that friendly relations are not hurt by incidents of this nature. Dignity of our judiciary in our country is preserved by what is essentially a voluntary act and decision taken at the Italian end.
The Italian government's decision will certainly come as a big relief to the Indian government as well as the Supreme Court, whose decision to allow them to go to Italy in the first place came under the scanner.
But by evening, Rome and Delhi were speaking in different voices. Italy said India's assurance that they won't get the death penalty and won't be arrested were conditions. India said there were only clarifications.
The two Italian Marines will be here in this embassy building for now, even as the government of Italy stressed that they should enjoy good living conditions during their trial here in India.
And while Delhi said the Marines could serve out their sentence in Italy, Rome signalled it would once again contest India's jurisdiction in court.
Our official position remains the same. When two military officials on behalf of a state on official duty incur in an incident, in addition, especially in international waters, they are liable to be judged in their own country.
But India and Italy do agree on one thing, that the Marines' fate should be decided quickly. Before the day ended, the government had approved the setting up of a special court. In New Delhi with Parul and Altamash Hashmi, I'm Nilima.
And the European Commission has also expressed relief over the end of this diplomatic standoff. But meanwhile, Foreign Minister Salman Khurshid has said that the Italian Marines do not face the death penalty. So did India really strike a deal with Italy? Law Minister Ashwini Kumar has told CNN IBN's Bhupendra Chaube that Italy has been given no guarantee on the court verdict.
Is this not an attempt being made by the Indian authorities to influence the ultimate outcome of this case? Again, I ask you the question, what is the guarantee, what is the assurance you all have given to the Italians?
We have seen in the last several decades, in fact since its existence, that nobody in the country dictates to the Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court will decide according to, or courts in India will decide according to their judicial conscience, they will decide according to law, and I think our judiciary has rightly earned the respect not only of the Indians but of the international community.
So there is no guarantee which has been given by India to Italy?
How can any political executive guarantee the outcome of a judicial process?
Then why does Mr. Khurshid say this? Why does Mr. Khurshid say that he cannot be arrested?
I do not
They
know.
will not be given the rarest of rare sentence. Why are you all then creating a doubt in the minds of people, in the minds of judiciary?
Mr. Khurshid is not only the External Affairs Minister, he is also a lawyer, he has been a distinguished law minister. Why he said what he said is for him to answer, but I think nothing should be read in his statement